Hello guys, in this video we will see how we can easily set table cell width and height. So use the CSS style width to set the width and height to set the height. That's it. Before HTML5 we had width and height attributes which is now depreciated. So that means do not use it. Use the following, this one. Okay, width and height CSS style, that's it. So I hope you know for table cell we use the tag TD. So we will set the values under this tag. That means we will set the style for TD tag. Here it is. So let's say we have the following HTML web page, code56.html saved in E drive Amit things folder. Here it is, code56.html. Now right now we have the following code, table headers and two more rows, that is total three rows and two columns, one, two. We will run it, go to the folder, double click. Here it is, as I said, two columns and three rows and heading team records from H1. For table header and table, we have set the border and the same goes for the cell. So since we need to do the change under TD, that is table cell, so we will set height and width here using the height and width property as I have mentioned here, height and width. Here set it to let's say 100 px. I'll save it and refresh. On refreshing, you can see we have easily changed the width and height of table cell. Let's minimize this 50, 50 would be fine. Save and refresh again. Here it is. So we easily change the table cell width and height. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel.